Behold the place.
Behold the adventures.
Behold the nature.
And behold Cebu. Maayong adlaw sa tanan.
Maayong buntag.
Good day, everyone.
This is Maria Lawrence Panagsagan.
And Murillo Monte Carlo.
It is one of the country's largest cities and is a bustling port.
Its harbor is provided by the sheltered strait between Mactan Island and the coast.
It is also the oldest settlement in the country and one of the oldest places, preserving much of the Spain's long heritage.
We welcome you to see the beauty of the Queen City of the South, Cebu City.
Cebuano comes from the root word Cebu, the Spanish version of the original name Subo. The Cebuano are also called Bisaya, although this is a generic term applying not only to the Cebuano but to other ethnic language groups in the Visayas.
Cebuano literature during the American period with Cindy Velasquez, 1990 to 1940, has been referred to as the Golden Age of Cebuano letters. There were economic circumstances which caused social ecological instability for 4 years. Region experienced short period from Spanish to American rule.
Population is now estimated at 923,724. In 1950, the population of Cebu was 178,256. Cebu City has grown by 13,674 since 2015, which represents a 1.40% annual change.
In the year 2002, Cebu topped the 4 provinces, Cebu, Bohol, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor, and 2 highly urbanized cities, Cebu City and Mandaue City, in the Central Visayas region in terms of population size.
Cebu City is politically subdivided into 80 barangays. The city is divided into 2 legislative districts with 46 barangays to the north and 34 barangays to the south. The purpose of electing members to the House of Representatives of the Philippines and the Sangguniang Panglungsod.
Majority of the household population is all about 97.52%, and Cebu classify themselves as Cebuano. Includes Bisaya is all about 0.94%, Boholano is all about 0.15%, Tagalog is 0.14%, and Bicol is all about 0.06%.
Kawasan Falls, the famous falls in Cebu, Bantayan Island. Bantayan Island is a small island in northern Cebu. 10,000 Roses of Cebu is a famous attraction now. And no, they are not real roses, they are artificial and lead power roses. Magellan Cross has a very big part of the history of Cebu. The original cross was believed by the powers, so they start chipping it away. Sinulog Festival. Sinulog Festival is a traditional celebration in Cebu held every 3rd Sunday of January.
First, let's admit that there's definitely no contest that the lechon in Cebu is hands down the best and most delicious. This is because the lechon Cebu is best known for its crunchy golden red skin and tender, juicy, flavorsome meat. Cebu is also known for native delicacies such as otap, dried mangoes, rosquillos, and masarial.
Panitikan of the Cebuano. First recognized written Cebuano literature was the Lagda or Ang compiled by Padre Salvador Pons. The first Cebuano periodical was published on July 16, 1901, when Ang Suga or The Light by Don Vicente Soto.
Cebuano literature refers to the body of oral and written literature of speaks of Cebuano, the mother tongue of a quarter of the country's population who live in Cebu, Bohol, Negros Oriental, and parts of Leyte and Mindanao.
Antonio Abad, Magda, A3 Akplane, 1996. Martin Abellana, Kaulit sa Kalipay, Kinabuhi.
Ramon Abellanosa, who wrote Siganghan sa Lubong and Binuno sa Palad both in 1926. Temistocles Adlawan, his works are Lily, 1987, and Gidak-on sa Dagat in 1966.
There is no doubt why Cebu is considered as the top destination in the country.
Indeed, because it offers every kind of attraction a tourist can ask for. From waterfalls, beaches, island hopping, heritage sites, festivals, luxury resorts, and great food. These are only some of the reasons why you should love and come visit Cebu.
And once again, this is Maria Lawrence Panagsagan
And Murillo Monte Carlo.
hangtod sa nanamilit na usab.
See you again. Goodbye!
Wake up.